everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy steps on how to make a NetSpend account. If you want to create a NetSpend account, then the process is quite simple. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.netspend.com in order to get to the official web page of NetSpend. Now, in order to create a new account or sign up for a new card, simply click on the Sign Up Now link at the top right hand corner. In the text boxes appearing on the next page, fill in your details. Start off with your legal first name and then your last name on the next. Make sure that your name is valid. Now, go to the street address text box and type in your street address or your apartment number. Type in your zip code on the next. Once you enter your street address and your zip code, head over to the next field and type in an email address for yourself. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have an access to, and right beneath, choose your card you'd like to apply from the bottom and give it a click. Now click on Get My Card and follow through the on-screen prompts. You'll need to type in your date of birth, your government ID number, and verify some of your identity on the next page, and you'll be able to make a new account on NetSpend. Now, you can easily send money from your NetSpend card account to your family or friends who also have the NetSpend prepaid cards or between your own cards account. That was how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.